Everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Netheesh. Today we are going to see about Excel. So, if you are completely new to Microsoft Excel, this course is for you. In this beginner friendly series, I will teach you every Excel formulas from basic to advanced concepts with real life example. So, today in this video, we will learn what is Microsoft Excel, what it is important, where it used, and why learning Excel is very valuable skills. So let's get started. In slide 2, what is Microsoft Excel? So what's Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet applicable developed by Microsoft. It helps us organize, calculate, analyze, and present data in the structured way. For example, this is Microsoft spreadsheet. This is a spreadsheet of employees name, which department, and exercise, education, age, gender. So this is actually generally a spreadsheet. So these are rows and these are columns in Microsoft Excel. In this actually you need to each column has a different name. For example, this is actually K4. Here it is K and here it is 4. So this box is known as K4. It's actually used in writing in formulas or writing like anything. For example, my name, Netheesh. Okay, it's K. Then, wait a second, it's actually rumbling here. That's it. So then, think for a think of Excel as a digital notebook where you can store information in rows and columns. Then, for example, if you are own a shop, you can use Excel to keep track of sale. If you are a student, you can calculate your marks. If you are a student, you can calculate your marks. Then in Office, you can manage employee data, budget set, or reports. So today, Excel is used in almost every company because it saves time and reduce manual works. Next, why do we use Excel? For organizing data, performing calculation, analyzing information, create reports, make charts and graphs, save time and improve accuracy. These are the uses of Excel today's life. Then afterwards, Excel worksheet. Excel worksheet, workbook worksheet. Okay. Now let's learn about the basic structure of Excel. An Excel file is called a workbook. Inside a workbook, we have one or more worksheets. Each worksheet contains rows, columns, and cells. As I explained previously, this is a workbook, and in this workbook, each sheet is known as worksheets. In this each sheets, these are known as rows and these are known as columns. These both attached to one particular part is known as cell. This is the basics. Then afterwards, Excel worksheet contain rows and columns. Rows run horizontal and or numerical 1, 2, 3. Column, like in these rows there are 1, 2, 3 at the left side corner, and in column the variables like A, B, C, D in the top. Okay. Then afterwards, the place where a row and a column met is called cell. For example, in B1 here and row 2 here. This instead, the cell address is known as B2. This cell address is known as B2. At this cell, each piece of data you enter in Excel is strong inside a cell. So I hope so I explained this. Then afterwards, futures of Microsoft Excel. Excel provides many powerful features. Formulas helps us perform mathematical calculation like functions like sum, average, if, make calculation easier. Charts helps us digital information virtually. Pivot table summarize large amount of data in just a few clicks. Conditional formation highlights improve information automatically. Data validation allows us to create drop-down list and control data entry. Sorting and filtering helps us quick find information and we need. So I just explained these terms. In the upcoming videos, we will know about the what their functions and what they are used for in the real life example. Then afterwards in the slide 6, where is Excel used? Business use Excel to manage sales and expenses, finance and accounting, performance, prepare budget and financial reports, human resource term manager, employee information and attendance, sales and marketing team analyze customer and sales data, teacher and student use Excel for marks and attendance. Then afterwards, project makers Excel to track and structure. No matter what your career choice, Excel is a useful skill for the today's world. Then afterwards, advantages of learning Excel. So why should you learn Excel? Learning Excel increase your productivity because many tasks become faster. It saves times by automation calculation. It reduces many errors. It helps your analysis and data and make better decisions. You can create professional report and dashboard. Mostly importantly, Excel is one of the top skill employer look for so it can improve your career opportunity. And then real life example. Most importantly, Excel is one of the top skill employee look for so it can improve your career opportunity. Let's look at some real life example. Schools use Excel to prepare student mark sheet. Company use it to calculate employee salary. Many organizations maintain attendance record in Excel. Business creates sale report every day. Family use Excel to plan monthly budget. Usually you will not do, but family uses to calculate family budget. Shop manager involves using Excel. Companies also create invoice for customer. These are just a few example. Excel can be used in hundred of different ways. Then afterwards, the summary. Let's quickly recap what we have learned today. We learned what Excel is, Microsoft Excel is. We discussed why Excel is important. We understand workbooks, worksheets, rows, column, and cell. We explored Excel main features. We saw whether Excel is used and why learning Excel is benefited. So that we have been shown today. Then afterwards, before it, actually, I need to say few some tips and tricks, not a general term. Like, if you have mentioned one is a variable and you have been clicked here and you have been dragged it out, this actually will continue like this. This is known as drag and drop. This is one of the important function you need to do. It's actually a general thing. Not only like this, then afterwards. A yeah, wait. Mm. So this will copy in entire row. Then afterwards you can do like this also. One day. But right here, For date and time function, this is a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If you use this, then Monday, then afterwards it's automatically, then it will change it to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. For easy, for the use of human needs only, for the basic needs of human, the Excel is formulated in this way. So, and this, and in month also, like Jan, no, Jan, you drag and drop this January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. This it will be continued. So this is known as a drag and drop, and rest we will see in the next video. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a clear understanding of what Microsoft Excel is and why it's such an important skill. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to learn with Netheesh. Also, let me know your question in the comment. In the next video, we will explore the Excel interface, including the Robin workbook, worksheet, rows, column, and cell. We see in the next lesson. Happy learning. Thank you for watching this video. Bye from Nitish.